Step 2. Join an investment club. What exactly is an investment club? Well, it's a group of people who pool their money together to venture into investments. They're an organized partnership. They have members studying different investments for the group to decide whether to buy or sell based on the votes of the majority. When money is pooled together collectively as a group, bigger investment opportunities can be accessed versus any of them going solo. So after coming up with your business plan, join an investment club. While doing so, you could search for a mentor to guide you on how most investments work. In the investment club, you'll get the chance to talk about your business. This is when you'll need to dictate how your ideas or your business is profitable, whilst making them interested to invest. Ask yourself, do you want to use your money or other people's money to invest? The smart way, obviously, is to leverage other people's money. Your money alone will only have so much for your business to run, but with OPM or other people's money, with a group of investors, the sky will be your limit. Unity is the strength of your business capital. Inevitably, before you start selling your ideas to the investors, your role and opportunity in the club is to give talks and brief the investors about your ideas and your business. These are the people you want to approach and share your ideas with. Why? It's simply because they have the means to provide you your capital. So introduce yourself. Talk about the history of your business. This will build the trust between you and your investors. Remember, no one will invest if they don't trust in you or your business's credibility.